Welcome to a quick guide on creating a book using Amazon KDP. Begin with manuscript formatting. Set margins, font size, and add page numbers, ensuring text consistency throughout. Next, design an engaging book cover reflecting your content. Use tools like Adobe Photoshop or Canva for a professional finish. An appealing cover can draw in readers. Then upload your manuscript. Sign into your Amazon KDP account. Click Create a new Kindle ebook or create a paperback and follow the prompts. Review the preview for correct formatting. Now fill in the details: title, subtitle, author name. Add a gripping description and select appropriate keywords for easy discovery. Decide on pricing and royalty options. Upload your book cover file and scrutinize the book cover and interior preview. Make any necessary adjustments. Choose your publishing territories. Consider going worldwide for a larger audience. Enable Kindle Matchbook for discounted ebook versions for paperback purchasers. Decide on the format: Kindle ebook, paperback, or both. Choose the rights you hold and set pricing options. Consider enrolling in KDP Select for access to promotional tools and Kindle Unlimited. Finally, publish your book. It'll undergo a review process and will be live on Amazon within 1 to 2 days. Congratulations! You've navigated Amazon KDP for book creation. Subscribe for more content like this. Happy publishing!